Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how you can transfer your GGIVES to your CIMB bank account. So first you want to open CIMB bank and log out on the account, and then make sure click on link my account here in this home screen. After clicking link my account, this should pop up and you want to select the G credit account because this is like their GGIVES, and then make sure to enter your mobile number and email address. Make sure the number and email address you put in here is the same as the information you put on your G credit or your GGIVES. And after that, it will give you a verification code with an OTP, and just proceed with the security access, and then boom, you have now officially transferred GGIVES to your CIMB bank account.